How is it going, guys? Muhammad Ali back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Well, I bought a Honda. I know maybe some people will be like, come on, you just bought an SC300. To be honest, I love building cars. If I get a good deal every time, I'll just buy cars. Speaking of SC300, you guys will be getting an update on that. I bought some parts for the SC300. I'm just trying to figure out if I want a body kit for the car or I just want to change the front bumper and add a lip on it. So I'm still confused on that. We will figure out what we will be getting for the SC300. The rest of the parts, door, some of the interior, we got it already. And about the Skyline, it will take some time. You guys will get an update. Anyways, this video is not about SC300 or Skyline. It's about Honda Civic. So let me just show you the car. So guys, this is my Honda Civic EG hatch. It's 1992. To be honest, it's pretty much a shit box. It's not in a good shape. I got the car yesterday. I drove it once. The brake is pretty bad. AC is not working. And there are some other stuff which needs fixing. Interior is bad. I haven't checked all the stuff in the interior. The handles are pretty much broken. I'll show you guys the car. Some people might say, why buy a shit box like this? Buy something good. But I see potential. For me, I see what can become, not what is. I can make this car a pretty nice street car. You can go so many ways, so many different ways. Sleeper build, track build. I wanted a sleeper build for a long time. I think I might go with a sleeper build with this car. I'm not sure yet, but I guess time will tell. So I'll tell you how much did I get this car for. It was around $750, which I think is pretty nice because the price on these cars are skyrocketing for some reason. I don't know. The other day I was checking Coupe 1993. It was a rolling shell, literally. No engine, no transmission. The guy was asking around $2,200 or $2,500 for a rolling shell. So, well, this is not in a perfect condition, but of course we are gonna fix it. That's why we buy cars, to fix them. And anyways, enough of talking. Let me show you guys the car. I haven't checked car, so God knows what we will find inside it. The hood is open, don't mind. You see this line. I want to show you guys the engine. This is my 1992 Honda Civic. It's pretty much stock, nothing really aftermarket on this car. Not a single thing except those POS wheels. See, this is one issue as well, the light. We have to fix that. I don't want to show you what's there because that's a surprise for you guys. That's my cat, guys. If you don't know, I like cats. I'm gonna blur what's there That's for the other video. The interior is pretty bad. We're gonna clean the whole car and check if it needs detailing. I need this. I don't know where will I get it from. The parts are not easy to find. See this, these are some problems here. You see the rubbers, it needs a proper wash. So these are the normal headlights. There are different headlights. Might get them, might not, because probably I'm gonna make this car a sleeper, so I really don't want to change anything from the outside. The wheels, these are the new TE37s. I'm just kidding, I don't know what POS wheels are, but we are gonna change this because this is pretty bad. First thing, we might change the wheels. I don't know what's my cat doing. No? Okay. Yeah. Interior is in a pretty bad shape. Good thing is this is not broken. You see this? Broken. So I need a new switch for this. You see? Bad. I don't know what's in there. I did not even check. It's manual. The cluster, this one is not working, so we'll have to figure out if it's wiring issue or the cluster is bad. The steering wheel is bad. You guys might say, what's good in this car? I guess nothing except these seats. These are EK9 seats. So let's open the trunk. So yeah, the trunk is okay. I think there was a sound system, but the guy just removed it. The guy which I got the car from, he was telling me he wasn't driving the car. It's been sitting there since 3 or 4 months. God damn, what is that? Okay, well that's bad. I'm gonna fix that as well. So the guy which I got the car from, he told me he wasn't driving the car. It's been sitting there for like 3-4 months, and that's why he did not even clean the car. So this side. So guys, the best thing about this car, I think, is this. If this shit doesn't work, if your dash has problems, you know, you just get a $2 lock and fix it. Like, what the hell? Who does this, man? This is an ECU. Oh my, oh my god. The dash is surprisingly nice. No cracks, nothing. It's pretty good. It was a factory manual as well. I'll show you the back seats really quick, and we're gonna move it to the engine bay. These are all the stuff. I'm not gonna clean, I'm not gonna go into details because I will clean the car in the next video. So we'll give it a proper wash and might remove the seats. I'll quickly show you guys the engine bay. It's D16. On top of that, it's non-VTEC, so VTEC is not gonna kick in. But engine wise, I don't know where I'm gonna take this car. Twin cam or a single cam or boosted, no idea, to be honest. We'll figure that out eventually. But I'm gonna change this engine. I don't want this engine, of course. First off, it's non-VTEC. We want that VTEC kicked in feeling. I think this is it. This is the new shit box which I got. I might name it shit box until we fix it. If you guys wondering what is there, we are gonna reveal it soon. And about the Honda, we're gonna fix this Honda. We're gonna make it amazing. Definitely, most definitely, sleeper. Sleepers are the best builds, because who will expect a car like this to be super fast. No one. And when you see the surprise on their face, amazing. The brakes are really bad, so I don't want to drive it. It's really dangerous. You know what, guys, I will fix the car and then we'll go for a ride and I'll explain how does it ride. It needs alignment as well. Yes, I forgot that. It needs alignment, it needs brakes, it needs AC. I am going to work on this car. I might even not take it to the workshop, work it. If I have the tools here, I will work on this car. If I don't have the tools here, I'll take it to the workshop, but I'm gonna work on it. Trust me, this is gonna be a super nice build. So anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for sticking till the end, guys. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.